Hi, folks. This is kicking it with Ben again. I know I'm up a little early this morning, but I like thinking about old times sometime. And I had this little female cousin of mine. Well, actually, she's older than me. She's about 1 year older than me. They like cats, and I don't know why we done this, but me and her, I ain't gonna call her name for privacy purposes, but we got out there one day in the yard and we just out with a bunch of meanness. So we decided we was gonna play tug of war. We took one of the cats and tied this. Y'all know how you tie that thing in the middle of the rope that makes the loop, and we hooked it around the cat tail. And then me and her commenced to playing tug of war. We went to pulling it, slipped the knot thing, and we pulled that rope so hard the cat's tail fell off. And her mama come out just a yelling at us. That would be my aunt at the time. And y'all know we probably wasn't but about, if I had to guess it, we probably wasn't but about, I'd say 8, 9 years old, maybe 10, 11 at the most. Boy, we got in so much trouble about playing tug of war that cuts the cat's tail off. But anyway, that's another episode of Old Days. We're kicking it with Ben, and we will kick it again. Later, Gator.